Welcome to Dell Technologies Power Protect Data Manager Break Fix Series. The scheduled backup retention extension job may not run for extended retention. Reference Dell Knowledge article number 189544. This video was created to describe the symptoms of this particular issue, to allow the system administrator to determine if this issue is affecting their installation. This video will describe the steps that need to be taken to resolve this issue. Symptoms of this issue. The scheduled backup retention extension job may not run for extended retention objectives if below conditions are all met. 1. The promotion backup extended retention objective was created before 19.8. 2. PPDM is upgraded to 19.8. 3. Protection policies primary backup schedule activity window and extended retention objective are not manually modified after upgrade. Observations. If all of the conditions on the previous slide are met, the below symptoms could be observed. 1. No new managed type job is created under the Jobs, System Jobs page for extended retention objectives created before upgrade. 2. Retention of backups that are eligible to be extended remain unchanged. When this issue happens, messages similar to the ones on screen will be observed in log file var, log, brs, workflow, workflow.log. Cause. The activity window of the extended retention objective that was created before the upgrade was not handled properly during the upgrade process. Resolution. It is recommended to follow the instructions below. These steps will update the protection policy so that future retention extension jobs will run on schedule. Any existing backups whose retention are eligible to be extended as per the protection policy configuration would be automatically extended. Instructions. Connect to the Dell support website and log in with your service account. Search for 189544. Locate the knowledge article in the search results as shown below. You should click on the article to open it. Take some time to read and fully understand the contents of the article. Once you have read the knowledge article, you can click on Attachments to view the attached file. Download the attached file and copy it into the path home/admin/bin on your PPDM server. Open an SSH session to your PPDM server with the admin user and change path to /home/admin/bin. Execute the downloaded script to apply the fix. Note: please enter the PPDM GUI admin password, then press enter when it asks for the PPDM REST password. If there are copies that needed to have the retention extended per protection policy setting, you will see updating retention configuration jobs in the PPDM GUI. Additional information. Newly configured extended retention jobs in PPDM 19.8 will work OK. Reference the following for more information. KB number 189544. Document name, Power Protect, PPDM Policy Promotion Backup / Extended Retention Job might not run after upgrade to PPDM 19.8. Download the Extend Retention Utility _CSP_EN_US_1 PY file from the KB article on the Dell support webpage.
Thank you for watching.